Hi everyone, my name is Michael Gicante and I'm one of two academic advisors in the Faculty of Humanities at Brock University. In my case, I specifically advise for the Marilyn I. Walker School of Fine and Performing Arts. So that would be for students who are majoring in dramatic arts, visual arts, music, or studies in arts and culture. And as well on the main campus, I advise for the Center for Digital Humanities. So that would be students who are majoring in interactive arts and sciences or the BA in game design. Generally speaking, as an academic advisor, I'm here to answer any questions or concerns you might have about the academic progression in your degree. So this can be questions about the final grades in your courses, things like how to change your major while you're a student at Brock, or even just questions about what classes you should be taking on a year-to-year basis. So I just wanted to make a quick video to let everyone know that despite the current COVID-19 pandemic, academic advisors are still available to answer your questions, albeit we are working virtually at this time. In my case, if you have any questions and you're a major in one of the programs I outlined previously, feel free to just send me an email to mgigante@brocku.ca, which is spelled MGICANTE@brocku.ca. So any questions or concerns you have leading up into the beginning of your first year, I'm happy to answer them. Or if we need to schedule a further appointment, I'm again happy to do that virtually as well. So thank you so much for your interest in the humanities at Brock, and we hope to see you in the fall. Take care.